Hi, welcome to Lecture 2 at Webull Academy. In this video, we will be going over the stock screener, where you can find it and how to use it. Finding the right stock for your investment strategy can be a challenge. The stock screener can help take out some of the time and manpower required to find that perfect stock that matches your investment strategy. Alright, now let's bring up our phone. First, we're going to go over how to find the stock screener. Let's begin by going to Markets all the way towards the bottom of the app. Now, tap on the magnifying glass to the top right and then select Screener. Finally, select Create Screener. The stock screener can filter stocks according to the type of market, the market indicators, financial indicators, technical indicators, and a variety of other sub-indicators. For example, in the quotes indicator, we have volume, listing date, and market cap. On the financial indicator, we have EPS and dividends, and on the technical indicators, we have MACD, RSI, and various moving averages. If you tap on any of the parameters, you will be able to fine-tune them to your specific needs. Select as many indicators as you'd like, and after you're finished, you can save the stock screener in case you want to use it again.